Bella. Say be nice. Boy, it's so dark in here, Diego. It's hard to see you. Be not Bella. Don't pull his ear. That's not nice.
Ew.
Ew. Is there something in there? Is it dirty? No, don't lick it. What are you doing, you goofy girl?
Ow.
Yeah, ow. You pull his ear and say ow. How do you think he feels?
Nice.
Yeah. Will you be nice? Are you being nice? Don't pull his ear?
Nice.
Yeah. Nice. You love Diego? Nice. Be nice. Be nice. Don't hurt him. Say nice, Diego. Diego. Why are you pulling his face? I have evidence here.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
Ow.
What do you think of...
Ow.
What's he doing? Huh?
Ah.
Say hi, Diego. Love you. He said, love you. Yeah. You woke him up. He was sleeping. Say hi, Dido. You're silly. You're silly. Somebody's up way past her bedtime.
Oh, baby.
Whose bedtime is it? Bella's? Is Bella ready for bed? Huh? Oh, there he goes. Yeah. Poor Diego. Look at that sad face. Oh, he's like, ah, shit, she found me. Oh. Bella. Run, Diego. Oh, yep, back up to Mom. Yeah, you can run, but you can't hide. She can find you anywhere. Poor Diego. Bella, what are you doing? What are you doing, huh? I think it's time for bed. Oh, yeah. You're stumbling drunk.
Baba.
You want your baba?
Baba.
Yeah, it's right here, look. Right here. See? Look. There's your baba.
No.
Okay. Say goodnight. Say goodnight, everybody. She's coming, Diego.